Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. We're ready to start a new week. All right, we are going to be working in your May calendar book. It looks like this. It's got those two friends with a flower and a bee on the front. And the first page has a ring and then three more pictures that we're going to rhyme with ring. So look for that page to get started. All right, hopefully everybody's there now and we'll get started. Is it April, May, June, or July? They gave us 4 choices this time. April, May, June, or July. Yes, we just switched to May. Starts with an M, so find that second one. It starts with a M, May. All right, Friday was the 1st of May, so let's count. Friday was 1. Saturday, 2, Sunday, 3, Monday, 4. Today is May 4th. Let's put a 4 right there. May 4th, 2020. And remember, a 20 is 20. Awesome, good job. April was the 4th month, so May is the 5th month. January, February, March, April, May. So we're going to put a 5 in this box. 5 in that first box now. 5 and then 4, 20. 5, 4, 20. Check yours and make sure it looks like mine. Awesome. And today's Monday, so let's write Monday. Day. You know how to spell that one? All right, check yours and make sure you got it correct. Monday spells Monday. All right, now we have some rhyming words down here. We're going to change a letter to make the next word, and our first word is ring. And then this little girl, what is she doing? Sing. So I'm going to change the sound to s. What letter makes this sound? S. Good. Ing. ING makes that ing. Ring, sing. What's that picture? Sink. So are we changing the first sound? Sing, sink. Nope. We're changing the last sound this time. Sing, sink. So I'm going to change just the last sound. I'll put the first 3. S-I-N. K. Sink. All right, now we've got ring, sing, sink, think. Which one? Beginning or the end sound? Which one's changing? Think. That's the beginning sound, and it's starting with our friend like Theo. So we're going to put a TH and then ink like sink. So we have 2 rhymes. Ring, sing, sink, think. Good job. Now we're going to use one of those words in a sentence. Let's use the word sink. Big I for the beginning of a sentence, or whenever I is by itself, it's always big. I wash. W-A-S-H. My. Sight word. Do you remember how to spell my? M-Y. Hands. H-A-N-D. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. I wash my hands in. That's a sight word. I-N. The. You all know how to spell the. T-H-E. Sink. S-I-N-K. And what goes at the end of a sentence? Period. I wash my hands in the sink. Oh no, now I have to draw that. Let's see if I can draw a sink. And my little hands reaching in there. That one's kind of a tough one to draw. But there I go. There's me. Put my hands in the sink to wash them. I would love to see all of yours. I'm sure you're doing a great job drawing that. All right, friends. Come on down here and look at the number of the day. That's a new 2-digit number that we haven't practiced before. It's the number 21. 20 because it starts with a 2 and then a 1. 21. So let's make some 21s all the way across. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. Ooh, I only got 4 in there today. Did you get more than me? I might be able to squeeze 1 more. 1. Oh, I wrote it out backwards almost. 2, 1. Oh, I squeezed it in. All right, hopefully you got some spaces between those 21s and you've got those 2s facing the right direction. Make sure you have them all the way across, and then we'll go down to finish up down here. It says, color the base 10 blocks to match the number above. How many 10s are in 21? Remember, this is the 10s place? 2, so I'm going to color 2 lines. 2 10s. And how many 1s? Just 1, so I'm going to color 1 of those 1 cubes. 21 is 2 10s, 1, 1. All right, now I'm going to read you the sentence, or the word problem, and you're going to write the number sentence, and we'll check and see if we have it correct. There were 12 hot dogs on the plate. 6 had ketchup. The rest had mustard. How many had mustard? What was the first number you heard? There were how many hot dogs? It's right here. 12, so I'm going to put a 12. 6 had ketchup. 6 of them had ketchup. So this is actually going to be a subtraction problem. We're going to subtract the 6 and see how many had mustard. 12 hot dogs had, 6 had ketchup. The rest had mustard. So how many had mustard? Now I need to do 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. So I'm going to count backwards. I'm going to put 12 in my head, and I'm going to count backwards 6 spaces. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 6 are left over. And if you needed more, if counting in your head is not a strategy that's working yet for you, draw 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you'll figure out how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it will give you your answer. So hopefully you got 12 minus 6 equals 6, because that's our correct answer for today. And remember to either use your counting strategy or your drawing strategy to get that. All right, my friends, one more thing before calendar's over. We are going to do our minute to win it number writing during our calendar video today. So you should have a page that looks like this, and you could go ahead and put your name at the top. And today we're going to practice writing 5s. 5s can be kind of tricky. They go down around a little belly there and give him a hat. That's how we make a 5. So we want to make sure he's always facing this direction when we make him. So go ahead on this first row, practice your 5s. Make sure they're touching the top, go down to the middle, around, give him a little belly, and then go back up and give him that hat. Down, around, give him a hat. Down, around, give him a hat. Practice those and make sure all your 5s are pointing in the right direction before we time ourselves for our 1 minute practice. And see how many we can do. If your 5s look like mine, awesome job. I am so proud of you. If you need to fix them up, that's okay too. That's why we're practicing. So go ahead and fix them up. Make sure they're facing the correct direction and get ready for the 1 minute. All right, when I say go, you're going to start writing down here and see how many we can get in 1 minute. Ready? Go. Keep going. Have about 10 more seconds, friends. Keep working. Five seconds left. Okay, put your pencil down, and how many did you get correct? How many 5s could you draw in 1 minute? Count them up and put your number right up here. I'll say 15 for today. Whatever your number is, you write it there and you circle it so we can track it for next week and see if you got more than you did this time. Now you have an option. If you want to, you can go back and fix any of the ones that are facing the wrong direction and finish the page out if you would like to. If you have some that are backwards, I want you to go ahead and fix those anyway. But if you have spaces left over that you didn't get to, now's your chance. You can go ahead and fix those up if you want to before you send it to me. All right, take a picture of just this page and send it to me on Google Classroom today. Thanks, friends. I'll see you later. Bye.